They told you it's just age, that your best days are behind you, that slower mornings, softer erections, less energy. Well, that's just part of being an older man. But what if I told you it's not age, not entirely? What if the real reason for those changes is blood flow? And what if restoring it didn't require a little blue pill, but your own 2 hands and 1 ancient oil? I know that might sound strange, but I want to take you back, not just decades, but centuries, in Roman bathhouses, in Ayurvedic healing temples. Men used a simple ritual to protect their virility and vitality well into their elder years. A warm oil blend, castor oil and natural vitamin E, massaged gently around the lower abdomen, groin, and thighs. Not rushed, not clinical, a slow, deliberate practice meant to restore circulation, loosen the fascia, and revive dormant tissue. This wasn't seen as a weakness. It was strength, maintenance, manhood. But here's the twist. Modern science is finally catching up to what those old warriors already knew. I remember a man named Robert. He came to see me a few years ago, 67 years old, retired Army, still stood straight, still had that sharp look in his eyes, but his voice? It cracked a little when he said, "Doc, I'm not the man I used to be, down there." Now, if you're a man watching this, you probably know what that silence means. He wasn't talking about just sex. He was talking about feeling disconnected from himself, feeling like something vital had gone dim. He'd tried the pills. They gave him headaches, flushed his face, made him feel less in control. What he really wanted was to feel whole again, not wired, not drugged, but alive. So I asked him something simple. "Robert, what if this isn't about fixing something broken, but reawakening something that's been sleeping?" That's when I shared the same oil massage technique I'm about to show you. 6 weeks later, he came back with the biggest smile I'd ever seen. "Doc, I feel like I woke up." What changed for Robert wasn't just physical. It was deeper than that. And it started with understanding why this happens in the first place. Let me tell you something most men are never told. Erections aren't just about testosterone. They're about blood flow, plain and simple. You see, when you were younger, blood flowed freely. Your arteries were clear, flexible, strong. Your nerves fired like lightning. But as we age, that changes, not overnight, but slowly, silently. The inner lining of your blood vessels, something called the endothelium, starts to stiffen. Think of it like the garden hose you left out all winter, still intact, but harder to work with. And that's not just in your heart or legs, it's in your pelvic region too. Add in years of sitting, poor sleep, processed food, stress, and now less blood reaches the places that matter most, like your penis. It's not that you're broken, it's that your body is starved of circulation. But here's the good news. Circulation can be retrained. With the right touch, movement, and natural tools, like that ancient oil massage, you can coax the blood vessels to open again, gently, steadily, naturally. And in just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to start that process, step by step. Now, let's talk about the ritual, the one that changed Robert's life and has quietly helped countless men reconnect with their bodies. It's incredibly simple. Start with pure cold-pressed castor oil, thick, golden, almost honey-like. This oil has been used for centuries in India, Egypt, and the Mediterranean to support blood flow, reduce inflammation, and nourish deep tissue. Now add a few drops of natural vitamin E, the kind you'd find in wheat germ or almond oil. This helps soothe the skin, repair capillaries, and deliver antioxidants directly into the area. Warm the oil slightly, just above body temperature. Then, gently massage it around 4 key zones: lower abdomen, just below the navel, inner thighs, base of the penis and perineum, never directly on the tip or shaft, and optionally over the lower back or hips. Move slowly, in small circular motions. No pressure, no rush. This isn't about performance, it's about presence. The goal is to stimulate local blood flow, loosen tension in the pelvic fascia, and retrain your body to feel again. Done consistently, this becomes more than a massage. It becomes a ritual, a reconnection. And when combined with the right daily habits, it starts working faster than most men expect. Now, that oil massage, it's powerful on its own, but if you really want to see changes faster and deeper, think of it like planting a seed. You still need sunlight, water, and the right soil. Let me show you what I mean. First, move. A 20-minute walk each day, even at a gentle pace, helps activate pelvic circulation. Just swinging your legs and breathing fresh air can make a difference. Second, hydrate. Blood is fluid, and many older men walk around dehydrated without knowing it. Start your day with a full glass of water, before coffee, before anything else. Third, breathe. A few slow, belly-deep breaths before bed helps calm the nervous system. Erections don't happen in stress mode, they happen when your body feels safe. Fourth, eat for blood flow. Foods like beets, pomegranate, garlic, and leafy greens naturally open blood vessels. And lastly, wear loose-fitting underwear at night. Give your body room to circulate and recover. These little things may not seem like much, but when you stack them together, that's when your body starts remembering what it used to do without needing to be forced. And in the final part of this video, I'll share something even more important than the routine itself. If you've made it this far, I want to say something that might surprise you. You're not broken, you're not too old, you're not dried up, you're not less of a man because your body has changed, you're just underfed. Your tissues haven't been nourished, your blood hasn't been flowing freely, your nervous system has been stuck in survival mode for too long. But none of that is permanent. The truth is, your body wants to heal. It wants to feel again. You just need to give it the chance. Think of it this way. If you hadn't watered a plant in years and the leaves turned brown, would you say it's dead? Or would you say, let's give it some sunlight, a little love, and see what happens? That's where you are right now. This massage technique, these small daily steps, they're not magic. They're reminders to your body, to your blood, to your spirit, that it's not too late. And when you start showing up for your body with care, not shame, not panic, but calm consistency, your body starts to respond. Sometimes slowly, sometimes suddenly, but it does respond. And in a moment, I'll show you how to take the next step, gently. If this video stirred something in you, maybe a little hope, maybe a little curiosity, then I want to invite you to take just one gentle step forward. Not a leap, not a sprint, just a step. Start the massage tonight. 10 minutes, quiet space, warm oil, your own 2 hands. And if you'd like more guidance, I've put together a free PDF called The Morning Man Routine. It walks you through the full ritual, plus a few extra tips I didn't cover here. You'll find the link below, and if you want more videos like this, calm, clear, and respectful, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss what's next, because this channel isn't about hacks, it's about healing. And if no one's told you this in a while, you deserve to feel good in your body. No matter your age, thanks for spending this time with me. I read every comment, and I'd love to hear your thoughts or your story down below. You're not alone, and you're not finished yet.